3 weeks ago, I stumbled upon a piece of software that literally nobody talks about. It's not some fancy AI tool, it's not crypto, and it's definitely not another course selling platform. I've probably spent more money on make money online courses than I've actually made online. Sound familiar? I was getting desperate, honestly. I'm talking about data scraping and lead generation. Not the sketchy kind, the legitimate kind that helps businesses find their ideal customers. They need leads, they need data, they need customers, but they don't have time to find them manually. That's where Web Scraper comes in. And the exact client getting strategy I used to land my first $1,000. But here's the thing, I am only sharing this with my subscribers because I do want this to get oversaturated. If everyone starts doing this, it won't work anymore. Hit that subscribe button right now and let's dive into the software that changed my financial situation forever. Day 1, I spent 2 hours setting it up and felt completely lost. It's about finding one tool that works and then maximizing it completely. This software gave me a superpower that 99% of people don't know exists. The best part? My clients think I'm some kind of data wizard. They have no idea I am using a $47 software to do what they think requires a team of researchers. I'm literally charging $200 to $500 per project for work that takes me 2 hours to complete. The software does 90% of the work. Day 3, I landed my first client for $150. Day 7, 3 more clients, $450 total. Day 14, I had a system running that was bringing in $50 to $100 per day on autopilot. Day 21, $1,000 in my account and a wait list of clients wanting my services. Every month I'd see my credit card bills pile up while I chased the next shiny object. Then my friend Jake sent me a link to this software with a message that said, "Dude, just try this one thing." I almost ignored it. But in just 21 days, this one software put exactly $1,000 in my bank account. And the crazy part? I almost didn't try it because it seemed too simple to work. Look, I've tried everything: drop shipping, affiliate marketing, freelancing, you name it. The software is called Web Scraper, and here's what it does. It automates one specific task that businesses pay good money for, but most people are too lazy to do themselves. The breakthrough moment came when I realized this wasn't about the software itself. It was about positioning yourself as the solution to a problem that every QA business has. Here's what nobody tells you about making money online. It is not about finding the perfect opportunity. Now I'm going to show you exactly which software this is, how to set it up,